Unfold the arms of the drone. Lock the catches of the arm in turn. And check them in turn. Install the battery. There will be a prompt tone after the installation is successful. The LED lights of the drone will flash. Connect the aircraft with the remote controller. Click Connect Device on the remote controller. Select H12. Press Confirm. Confirm frequency paired. Set the safety voltage. Set the voltage to 77.6 volts maximum. The primary voltage 64.2. The secondary voltage 61.2. Then click Save. Save successfully. Calibrate compass. Click Calibrate compass on the remote control. Rotate the aircraft horizontally until the green light is steady on. Then hold the head of the drone down in a vertical direction. Rotate until the green light's off and the colored lights flashing. Then the calibration is finished. After calibration, the aircraft needs to be repowered up. Turn on the water tank when the aircraft adds the potion. Fill the pesticide into the water tank. Install the propellers. The direction of the blades must be the same with the motor markings. The drone will crash if the installing is wrong. Press the bottom on the remote control to test spraying. Move the upper right side switch back and forth to clear the ab point. The lights on the aircraft will flash, ready to take off. Unlock the drone. See video. Switch the upper left operation button, toggled to the rightmost side. There will be an alarm suggestion for the ab point job mode. Toggle the ab points. Switch to the middle. Record point at. Setting operation parameters. Press Confirm. Control the aircraft to point B. Hovering the drone at point B. Toggle the upper right ab switch to the rightmost side. There will be sound alarm to indicate the point B succeed. Move the rocker according to the desired direction. The aircraft began the ab point task. The corresponding job track will be displayed on a remote control. Exit the job at ab point. Slide the upper left job switch to manual mode. Aircraft hovering. The aircraft can be manually piloted back at the moment landing the aircraft. After refilling the pesticide, start manual mode for takeoff. Toggle the job switch to the rightmost side takeoff. The plane will fly autonomously to the cutoff point. Continue with the ab point job. After the point operation is completed, control the aircraft in manual mode to return to the initial coordinate point. Landing the drone carefully with manual mode. After task is finished, in case out any accident,